Hey there, I'd like to share my review on this juice extractor. We recently just picked about 18 5-gallon pails of pears, along with, I plan to use grapes, tomatoes, celery, there's so many different things that you could do in this juicing pot, and there's a really awesome guide which will help you with adding sugar. So the pieces of this juicer are your lid. Then you have where you're gonna place the fruit. So your washed fruit will go in there. Here is where your juice is going to be collected. And so obviously if it gets over this, it's going to run into the water below. And then once your juice is in there, you do have this great little hose that you're going to be able to pour the juice off into your jars or whatever you're going to be storing it in. And then your base is where your water is going to go that's being heated on the stove. So I'm going to go ahead and put this together with the pears in the water and show you what it looks like when it's done. So as you can see, I've got my pot full of water, and there is a little bevel hole here. So when you go to put your juice extractor, just know that this hose fits in there. We're gonna put our pears on. It said to fill it almost to the top of this, so just don't overflow it. So after my pears steamed a while, I opened them back up and cut them into smaller pieces just to help the juice extract more. And now I'm actually just gonna let this sit and cool and continue draining into the pot below. And this is how much pear juice I have from that top basket. So now, to show you what it looks like, just letting the juice out. And be careful, it is hot, so just be conscious of that as you're holding your hose, and you're going to actually pinch this together, which is going to allow the juice to flow down. So just be careful of the steam if you're going to do this while it's hot. I'm pretty impressed with how clear that juice looks for not even having strained it yet.